Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Since it is snowing outside right now, I am going to be going and giving the chickens, goats, rabbits, and horses some treats to make them happier. Here are the mealworms. Oh, they know it's coming. Go back. They're all over you now. Here we are at the goat barn. Cherokee, are you hungry for some peanuts? We just have the non-shelled peanuts. Now, if you're not careful, Cherokee will bite your hand off. She loves peanuts. You want some? You want a peanut? Would you like a peanut? There you go. Cherokee, you'll have to get the peanut. Felicity, would you like a peanut? No, not so much. Cherokee will eat yours for you. Now we're going to head back into the heated half. Got the baby goaties. You guys don't like peanuts. You're too little. Do you want to try one? You want to try one? It's not milk. It's a peanut. No? It's a peanut. Oh, you don't like it? Should we go see if the other goats in back like it? This is our pregnant dairy doe. We are just waiting for her to have babies. Everest, do you want a peanut? Oh, yeah, that wasn't a question. Here you go. Everest, you can't just eat it before it's even in the pan. You like peanuts? Okay, one more. Would you like a peanut? Not really? Is that a bad one? Oh wow. Here you go, buddy. Stella? Hola. Not the camera. Okay. Oh, you want some peanuts? Want a peanut? You gotta eat them before Stella eats them. You want a peanut? Oh, that's hers. No, it's her peanut. Want to try one? Oh, it's not your peanut. You want it? There you go. Okay, I think you guys have had enough peanuts. Is that right? Excuse me. Out into the snow we go. There Dairy goats, would you like some peanuts? Rain. Oh, is it chilly out? Would you like a peanut? Hello, Misty. Want another peanut? Here goes, go. Is it so cold out? Willow, you're a tough one. You don't need a blankie. No. Misty. There you go, Rain. You don't like peanuts. Kinda like them. Not real good. Excuse me, girls. Now we're just gonna head over to what we call the South Pen. Come here, girls. Dairy Queen. Do you want a peanut? You want a peanut? Should we go back in the shed? Is it too windy? Come here. There you go, Dairy Queen. Sugi. Ow. Don't bite me. Deanna, you have to eat a peanut. Remember? Do you like peanuts? Dairy Queen, get down. Get down. Out of the feeder. That's where you have to eat your food. Nobody wants your paws in it. Come on. Or not. Dairy Queen. Good girl. Go get it. Ember, do you want one? No? You'd rather be in the snow? Okay. Here you go, Dairy Queen. You're going to have a couple. Pick your favorite. Pick your favorite. Suki, I said one. Suki, you've had enough. You're going to be fat. And that is all for the goats, and we are going to be heading up to the rabbits. Here we are at the rabbits. I have some dried celery sticks. They love them. Hi, little rabbit. Would you like a celery stick? Would you like some celery sticks? It's okay. Aw, look at how cute it is. Did you drop it? Would you like me to pick it up for you again? Oh, you are right up here. Here you go, buddy. You get a second stick. Jewel, would you like a treat? I can't forget about the horses. Should I get you a treat? I'm taking that as a yes. Would you like another one? There you go. Toby, would you like a treat? Yeah? Do you want one? Oh, did you just spit it out? Toby, it's not that bad. Nobody else has eaten this before you. Don't spit it out. Nope. Good boy. That's all. That's all I got. See? My hand's empty. Aw. It's okay, Toby. Thank you for watching, folks. I hope you love your animals as much as we do. Please like and subscribe.